How does wind shear create rare cloud formations? Imagine looking up at the sky and seeing clouds twisting into shapes you've never seen before. That's often the work of wind shear, a fascinating atmospheric phenomenon. Wind shear happens when winds at different heights blow at different speeds or directions. This change can stretch, tilt, or twist clouds as they form, creating some of the most unusual cloud shapes in the sky. When wind shear is strong in thunderstorms, it can tilt the rising air, helping the storm last longer and develop unique shapes. For example, the top of a thunderstorm can spread out horizontally, forming a flat, wide shape called an anvil cloud. This anvil looks like a giant hammer or anvil in the sky and is a clear sign of wind shear at work high above us. Wind shear also influences how clouds organize in large storm systems. It can separate the warm, moist air rising into the storm from the cooler air spreading out near the ground. This separation helps storms stay strong and can lead to complex cloud patterns like layered or banded clouds, which look like stripes across the sky. One of the most striking effects of wind shear is the creation of roll clouds. These are long, tube-shaped clouds that seem to roll along a horizontal axis. They form when wind shear causes a horizontal vortex, a spinning column of air, to develop. The cloud appears to be rolling like a giant cylinder, moving smoothly across the sky. Another rare cloud shape influenced by wind shear is the shelf cloud. These are dramatic, wedge-shaped clouds that often appear at the front of thunderstorms. Wind shear causes sharp boundaries between rising warm air and sinking cooler air, giving the cloud its distinctive shape. Wave clouds are also a product of wind shear. These clouds look like smooth, repeating waves in the sky, often seen over mountains or other obstacles. Wind flowing over these features creates wave patterns, and wind shear helps keep these waves stable, forming clouds at the crests. From natural wonders to weather predictions, these rare cloud formations show us how invisible forces shape the sky's artwork. Wind shear acts like a sculptor, twisting and turning the air to craft clouds that can signal storms or simply dazzle us with their beauty. Did you know that the dramatic shapes of some clouds are direct signs of these unseen winds? It's like nature's way of painting with invisible brushes, creating sky art that hints at powerful forces above us.